If you don't know how to complete the square, you're going to struggle in math. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to complete the square. And after I go through the fundamental, I will go through the 3 questions ranging from easy, medium to hard. And by the time you finish this video, you will know exactly how to complete the square easily. Okay, let's just jump right in. So fundamentals. How does complete the square work? First and foremost, in order to complete the square, you will need to know how to expand this. So these 2 concepts are the prerequisites to knowing how to complete the square. Essentially, you need to know this. So a plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And on the other hand, this is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. These 2 concepts are extremely important, and they are what complete the square is all about. Okay, so when you complete the square, you will usually perform it on quadratic functions. So for example, I have a quadratic function over here. Let's say I have x squared plus 3x plus 9 equals to 0. And you are asked to complete the square for this. So the final form of any complete the square form, right, is as such: y equals to a bracket x minus b square plus k, where a and k are constants. This is the final form of a completed square. So essentially, you are usually given this, and then you have to work your way to this. But how do you do that exactly? And that is by using these concepts over here. So let me show you. First and foremost, this is a quadratic equation, right? That means it's a U shape. It's like this. In this case, it's this because the a is positive. A is 3. If you need more help on quadratic equations, you can watch my other video. So first and foremost, we have to break this up into 2 boxes. Okay, and this is going to be our a squared plus 2ab. And what we need to do is to add in the b squared. So we need to caret over here, we need to add in a b squared. And since we add in a b squared over here, at the end we need to minus away the b squared so as to balance the entire equation, right? Because if you add this in, you need to remove it at the end, so that, let me just show you, x squared plus 3x plus 3 over 2 square plus 9 minus 3 over 2 square is 0, so that this over here is the same as this. They are the same. It's just that you add in this one and then you minus it away. It's just like adding 1 and minus 1. It makes no change to the equation, but this is a very important step. Okay, so how do we go from here to here? Very simple. Your here. So we know that 2ab is 3x, right? And a is x, as seen over here. Therefore, 2b is 3, and b is just 3 over 2, which is what we get over here. This is b squared. A shortcut way would be to just take the coefficient of this and just divide it by 2, and then you will get this. So this is how you get the b squared. And this final answer over here is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And over here are your constants. So now that we have gotten this, we can factorize this into a plus b squared. And from here, all the constants we just expand and simplify. So from here to here, we will get x plus 3 over 2 squared. And this is just plus 9 minus away your 3 over 2 squared. 9 minus over 4 equals to 0. and we just need to continue to simplify the equation. We'll get x plus 3 over 2 square plus 9 minus 9 over 4, which will get 3, 6, 3 over 4. And this is the completed the square form from here. We get this at the end. So as you can see, complete the square uses this analogy over here, and it really falls down to you understanding this two over here, which is the a plus b and a minus b squared. So I hope my explanation has been clear enough. If not, now I will go through 3 questions to show you how to apply this concept into them. So the first one is your easy. Now the question asks you to complete the square for x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. First thing we need to do is to box this up and box this up by itself. This is a squared plus 2ab. What we need to do in the next step is to add in the b squared and minus away the b squared at the end. And from here, we identify that 6x is 2ab, 6 is 2b, because a is x, and b is just 6 over 2, which is 3. Therefore, in our next step, we will have x squared plus 6x plus 3, or essentially just 6 over 2 squared, plus 8 minus 6 over 2 squared equals to 0. And now we have this and this, and this is just a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and these are your constants. From here, we'll factorize into a plus b squared, and here we will expand and simplify. So from here, we will get x plus 3 squared. And on the other side, we will have 8 minus 6 over 2, which is essentially just 3 squared. So we will have minus 1 equals to 0. And this is your final answer. That's for the easy question. Now, moving on to the medium question. It's exactly the same analogy. 8x squared minus 13x minus 2 is 0. So now I want you to draw your attention to this. When you complete the square, right, the coefficient of x squared must be 1. So what that means is that it has to be x squared and not 8x squared or even 8x squared or even 3x squared, all this. No. So how do you do that? First thing, you need to factorize out the 8. So you take out the 8, you have x squared minus 13(8x) minus 2 over 8 equals to 0. And this is what, everything inside the bracket is what you will complete the square on. That being said, this is our a squared minus 2ab, and this is another box. So moving on to the next step, we have 8 bracket x squared minus 13 over 8x plus, just take whatever is inside here, 13 over 8 negative divided by 2 to get our b squared minus 2 over 8 minus negative 13 over 8 divided by 2 squared equals to 0. And then now you can just simplify things. 13 divided by 8 divided by 2. So you will have 8 over here, this is your a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And we're going to change it to a minus b squared. So from here we're going to get a minus b squared. And whatever is over here, which are your constants, we would expand your constants. So just key into your calculator for this and you will get 2 over 8 minus 13.8 divided by 2 squared. And you will get minus 105,256 equals to 0. Let me just double confirm. Apologies, you will get 233 over 256. And then now the next step is to expand this inside. So you have 8 bracket x minus 13 over 16 square minus 7/9 over 32 equals to 0. And that is your answer. Okay, next, on to the last question, is your difficult. So now we have this quadratic equation over here. And they ask you to complete the square for this. So the first thing you need to do is to expand this. Right, you want to make this into the ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 form, so that you can complete the square on this. That's why you would expand this to get 6x squared plus 6x plus x plus 1 equals to 5. And then you will bring the 5 over. You will have 6x squared plus 6x plus x plus 1 minus 5 is 0. And now you will group all the like terms together and you will have 6x squared plus 7x minus 4 is 0. And then we are going to complete the square on this. But we realize that the coefficient of x squared is 6. So what we need to do is we need to remove the 6 from this. And how do we do that? We take the 6 bracket x squared plus 7 over 6x minus 4 over 6 is 0. And this is what we will do the complete the square on. That being said, we'll have 6 bracket, identify this as one box, identify this as another box, and this is a squared plus 2ab. And what we need to do is to add in the b squared and subtract away the b squared at the end. So now we will have x squared plus 7 over 6x plus 7 over 6 divided by 2 squared minus 4 over 6 minus 7 over 6 divided by 2 squared equals to 0. And now this over here and this over here are two separate things. This is our a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And over here are our constants. So now what we need to do is to change this over here to a plus b squared. And therefore it will be bracket x plus 7 over 12 squared. Right? And then expand our constants. So it's negative 4 over 6 minus 7 over 6. 7 over 6 divided by 2 squared. And we will have negative 145 over 144. Close bracket equals to 0. And the last step is to take the 6 and expand inside. And what will we get? We will have 6x plus 7 over 12 squared minus 6 1 over 24 is 0. And this is our final answer for complete the square from this. So these are the 3 questions and I hope that you have gained a clear understanding of how to complete the square after watching this video. If you need more help and you still don't know how to complete the square, I would want you to go and click on this video on the right over here, where I teach you essentially how to complete the square even more and get more support from me. And once you can understand how to complete the square, you will be able to ace your math exams. And if you would need more personalized help for math, go ahead and click the description under this video for more of my resources and support. And with that, thank you for watching, and always remember, you are just one mark away. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.